Hi YouTube, just checking in again on day 6. So far so good. Yesterday after going out, I realized that going outdoors for me, for my first time since the fast, was very, very draining. I mean, I enjoyed it while I was out and about, but once I made it back home, I was drained, like just drained. So bring your water with you if you do decide to go outdoors. And when I say outdoors, meaning I was literally like outside in the sun, um, walking around and, doing a little shopping with someone. And we made an additional stop. We ended up making like 3 stops. So between the heat and just physically going through this entire fasting process, I was somewhat on the drain side. So if you decide to go outdoors, be careful. But on another note, back to my wonderful update with me exercising. I still am. And this is the actual DVD that I'm doing. It is Leslie Sansone. I have a few of her DVDs and there's a few out on the market. I just wanted to show you the cover of this particular one. And it comes with this firming band, which is, basic. And the exercise at the end of it is very light. It's not very high intensity aerobic. There is a segment where you do a little light jogging, but you do have the option to continue to walk. So it's labeled as a walking DVD, but it's really like low aerobic, very low impact, not high impact at all, except during the jogging segment. And of course with the firming segment where you're using a band, that's according to your control of the band. And also, whenever I say I had a cup or two of water, I know someone may be concerned, well, oh, that's not enough. My cup is actually this 32-ounce cup. So when I'm filling this with water, or if I'm referring to the fact that I had a cup of water, my cup is an actual 32-ounce cup. So make sure you drink your water, you get your water in. And also while working out, my firm belief is that I'm a spirit being. I live in a body and I own an ego. So a lot of times when you're working out or you're trying to achieve any goal, your ego will kick in and that sucker will talk to you. It will try to convince you to back out, and you just, you have to remind yourself, the real you, the spiritual you, that I am perfect, I can get through this, I can do it, this is for my good. And that'll give you the energy to keep going. Now mind you, when you're saying these positive affirmations, or you reminding yourself of the wonderful being that you are, just like anything else, at that time, no, you still like, oh, I want to quit, I want to give up. But within a few minutes, or a few moments, you'll feel energized, you'll feel revived, and you'll feel like, hey, I can do this and I have the ability to do so. So hang in there. Yes, the weight is still dropping. I am not going to state how much I've actually lost until the end of the week. So until then, I will continue to do so. Thanks for the encouragement. Continue to stick to your fast. You can do it. You can get through it. And yeah, I'm tired. Oh, and by the way, no, I don't work. So when I'm exercising and, having that moment of being drained, I can go lay down, and rest. So no, I'm not physically working, but I am actively still doing things. I'm not just laying around, but if I feel a need to do so, yes, I do go take a nap, if it's an hour or two or whatever. That comes with the program. So thanks for viewing. Stay tuned for my next vid, and please subscribe if you haven't.